Hi, thank you for visiting my channel. This is the After Effects projects file that you will get after download from the link I provide in the description below. You can replace the text with your name by edit this text layer. You can also change the font type according to your needs. Just go to the character panel. The calligraphy animation can be seen on this composition. To change the color of calligraphy, just add fill effect from the effects and presets. If you don't see the panel yet, just go to the menu bar, click Window, and then click Effect and Presets. Type fill on the search box, then drag the effect fill to the calligraphy layer. Next, you can change the color as you want by changing the color in the character panel font. I think that's all for now. You can like or subscribe my channel. Thank you.